You Lord, the Lord, you Lord, for Sunday. You Lord, the Lord, you Lord, for Sunday. You Lord, the Lord. Crystals vibrate at specific frequencies which can interact with our body's energy fields. The result, a clear balance of mind, body, and soul. Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel. My name is Julia. If this is your first time, this channel we talk about all things spiritual and keeping your crown on in the real world. Ancient Egypt adorned their pharaohs with amulets, and Roman soldiers carried bloodstones to battle as talismans. Beyond their stunning appearances, healing crystals offer numerous benefits: balance, protection, amplification, and spiritual growth. All things you will need in your spiritual walk, whether you're a beginner, a novice, or expert. I have a small crystal collection, so let me show you the ones that I think that everyone should be using or have in their collection. Starting with the rose quartz crystal. It is known for people who is seeking love. It's dubbed the love stone. Rose quartz resonates with the heart chakra, promoting love, compassion, and forgiveness. It also helps you to enhance love, mend broken relationships, and attract new love as well. I often use these in my attractive love or attractive mate intentional candles. You should see that in the first video that I made. The link will be down below. Crystals can come into all sizes, shapes. They can come smooth, rough cut, or some can even come attached to rocks themselves. How you use a rose crystal quartz is place it under your pillow for sweeter dreams or wear it close to your heart as jewelry. The next stone we should discuss is the amethyst, known as the Zen Master. With its deep purple hues, amethyst is connected to the third eye and crown chakra, aiding in spiritual growth and protection. It fosters inner peace, intuition, clarity of mind. You can meditate with amethyst by placing it on your forehead, or you can keep clusters in your workspace for calm vibes. I keep mine by my bed, on my windowsills, and in my little office space. This crystal promotes spiritual growth and protection, as I stated, from negative energy. It also helps achieve emotional stability and clarity of thought. Amethyst is found worldwide, especially in Brazil, Sri Lanka, and Siberia. Used by the ancient Greeks, Egyptians, and other colors. As you can see, amethyst ranges from light lavender to deep purple. The larger stone that you see here, I purchased in an African store in Washington State. I suggest when you're searching for your stones, you should always go inside a store or a crystal shop or African shop like I did that sells crystals, and go in and feel your stones. Let it call to you. This particular one called to me. I think I paid $19.99 for it. It was a bit expensive, but I think it was in a mall store, which is fine. It still called for me. Although, I am on a budget spiritual person. I still invest in some pieces, and I thought this piece here was a great investment. I'm also showing you a smooth stone. You can get a stone with your sign on it. You can buy them in chip form. You can buy them in different sizes, different colors. As I stated, they range in different hues of purple. These look almost white. So yeah, here's my collection of amethysts. Again, as I stated, my collection is small. I have what I need. I think I'm trying to get the smaller, even smaller chips out. These are the ones, if you saw my intention candle video, please take some time out and look at that one as well. It'll be in the link. I use these in my intention candles. I purchased these on eBay a couple of years ago. I can't remember which vendor. I also encourage you, when you get to know your crystals and learn fake, you'll be able to go online and find reputable, if I said that right, vendors. So yeah, here's my collection. The next stone you should have in your crystal collection is the clear crystal quartz, known as the all-rounder. Clear quartz is the master healer and can amplify the energies of other crystals. It enhances clarity, purpose, and helps you with your intuition. You can place crystal quartz near other crystals to charge them or use them during meditation to clear your mind. As you can see, they also come in different sizes, chips. I brought these on eBay as well. They come in smooth. I prefer the rough cuts, like this one. But I have had a smooth one. I think it's in my car. So, these are the clear crystal. This next crystal is definitely one everybody should have, either in their collection or wearing it on their bodies. It's known for its protective vibes. Black tourmaline is your go-to for warding off negativity. It grounds your energy, and it also is known to boost your self-esteem. You can keep one at your front door to keep out negativity, or carry it with you, on you, when you're on the go. As you can see in this one, you can see my bracelet. I don't go home. Do not walk out the door without my black tourmaline bracelet. It protects me from all negative energies. I'm an empath, and I'm a sensitive, and I pick up everything. So yeah, I like to place stones in the four corners of my house or apartment. That also helps protect for negative energies from coming in, negative people for coming in. So yeah, when you're living in an apartment, place them on the four corners of your walls in your apartment after you cleanse it with sage or Palo Santo, or whatever you use to spiritually cleanse your house with. You should always do that, even when you're moving in or moving out. But anyway, so yes, place them on the four corners of the house, in your house, and that way, if anybody try to come in, because negativity it sticks to people, and if they come in, they're gonna bring their negativity with them, and when they leave, they're gonna drop their negativity out. Many people don't even know they're carrying around negativity. Okay, so yeah, should protect your space, especially in apartment complexes. You hear negativity, neighbors fussing all the time. So yeah, this is one of my favorites. And of course, last but not least, this is another major one you should have in your collection. Selenite, known as the moonlit muse. Named after the Greek goddess of the moon, Selene, this crystal is all about illumination and clarity. Selenite clears blocked energies, connects you to your higher chakras, and it also enhances your spiritual growth. Place it near your bedside for a peaceful night's sleep, or wave a wand around your aura to cleanse and purify. Cellulite, if clear crystal quartz amplifies your other crystal's energy, this is the big daddy of amplification. This is an amp in itself. And so they come in different sizes, different hues, different cuts. It's a cellulite is a soft crystal, and it's molded in a lot of shapes, squares. There's the wand I'm showing you as well. Bowls. I've seen them in bowls. I've been eyeing this bowl of cellulite that I would love to purchase, but it's a bit above my price at the moment, or my pocket. So as you can see, this is how I place my stones, sitting right on top of the cellulite. All of them, even the clear crystal quartz. I place them right there. There's another picture of it without the stones. Another another side of me. I'm sorry, my mind went blank. Another side of me placing my stones. That's exactly how I keep this particular pile of stones. Just like that. This is my collection for the at my desk. I keep it at my desk. And this particular one I keep on my bed on my nightstand, and I keep my rose quartz there, and my amethyst, and my little heart-shaped rose quartz that my granddaughter gave me. I keep it there by my bed. Yeah, guys, this is my collection. It is not elaborate. It's not expensive. You know, I have what I need. If I need other things, right here, as I was about to say, there's other bracelets out there. There's other crystals you can purchase. You don't have to purchase those. You can just purchase bracelets, jewelry for specific things. Like this particular one is for protection. On the card, it says the tiger eye protects against negativity, misfortune, and it helps neutralize negative energies and disturbances. The black onyx absorbs any transformed negative energy and helps to prevent the drain of personal energy. And the hematite is a powerful protection stone which helps to keep the body and spirit grounded. This one is anxiety and stress. The amethyst is a protective stone. It relieves stress and anxiety, soothes irritability, and balances mood swings, and dispels negativity. Blue solodite enhances emotional healing to provide inner peace. It is also believed to reduce anxiety and stress, tension, and excess stress. Labradorite is known for its ability to calm an overactive mind, reducing stress and anxiety. So yeah, as you can see, you can buy them in bracelet forms and wear your stones with you. If these bulky stones is not your forte, you're not in a box. Now I'm going to show you how you can clean your crystals. So here I'm showing you lavender water, or lavender hydrosol, or rose water. You can use rose water as well. That's isopropyl alcohol. You can mix that with the rose and the lavender water and your bottled water. You can also cleanse it through running your stones through running water. This is me showing you that you can make your own rose water. You don't have to purchase. I'm not advocating purchasing anything, guys. You don't have to purchase nothing. This where I sell cleansing sprays, lavender and rose. So recharging your crystals, natural water, sunlight, moonlight, earth. You can bury them in your underground. I used to, when I was living in an apartment, I used to bury my crystals in my plants that I had. Firepower, which is smoke, like I'm showing you here, I'm demonstrating. Sage, Palo Santo sticks, sandalwood or cedar, which both are known to remove negativity. You can place it in salt water, in a salt water bath, or you can use other crystals. And you can also meditate. If you practice this form of crystal cleansing regularly, it will come naturally, and the calmness of meditating will allow you for a true stone sterilization and inner peace at the same time. Here I'm going to demonstrate how you can use my crystal cleansing spray. Just spray it on. Make sure you get all parts of the crystal. I'm trying to get out the essential oils, guys. As usual, I wasn't prepared, but this is me and this is the real world. Thank you for your patience. So, yep, you can use essential oils, like I stated earlier. Sandalwood or cedarwood are known to remove negativity. We'll go into essential oils in another video. You can mix isopropyl alcohol, distilled or bottled water, some essential oils, if you want to make your own spray. You do not have to go and purchase mine. You don't have to purchase anything. So yeah, you can use this to cleanse your stones with. You can meditate. You don't have to purchase any of these. You can place them in the windowsill on a sunny day. You can place them at the light of the moon. Or you can meditate to them. I stated that a little bit earlier. So yeah, guys, here's my small collection of stones. You don't have to go out and buy a ton of stones. All you need is these basic ones that I've shown you today in this video. Thank you for taking the time out to listen to me. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment on the video. Thank you.